Sometimes when you're using Windows, you find that you have many windows open and you just want to clear them all down and see your desktop. So instead of minimizing each one individually, there's a couple of things that you can do. One is go to this little strip here in the lower right hand corner. It's just a few pixels wide. If you click on that once, all of your windows will minimize. Click on it once more and they'll pop back up. All right, so it's a quick way to review or access your desktop. All right, the other method is called Aero shake. And say this, in this case, you want to minimize everything except one window because if you minimize everything, it may be hard to find the single window you actually want to work with. So what you do is you grab the title bar, so right at the very top, you click and hold, and then give it a good shake, right? You've got to be a bit fast on it. You notice when I did it slowly at first, nothing happened, right? But you give it a fast little shake to the left and right, and all the other windows will minimize. That way you can focus, and when you need those other windows, just go ahead and click on them, right? On the taskbar, click on their icons down on the taskbar, and you can bring them back up.